symbol of my unending love and devotion. May its presence on your hand serve always to remind you of my love.
I will wear it proudly. I give you this ring as a symbol
of my unending love and devotion.
unending love and devotion.
May its presence on your hand
May its presence on your hand
serve always to remind you of my love.
serve always to remind you of my love.
I will wear it proudly.
Don't you love a man who does as he's told? Howard and Janelle, having witnessed your vows of marriage with all those who are assembled here, it is with great joy that I, Danielle Thomas, by the powers vested in me by the Marriages Act, do hereby pronounce you, Janelle Romain, and Howard Winters to be married. And you may now seal your vows with a kiss. This toast represents their thank you for being here today and their joint desire to touch and change many lives in their journey through lives. So cheers.
Cheers. The song is good.
There's time's the turn.
Called Kindness Rocks, and they were hand painted and dotted by Chanel and her friend Cindy Palmer, and represents a united gesture of kindness, pardon my French, this word is really long, interconnectivity and love, and we want you to accept it as a keepsake or pass it on as a gesture of kindness.
And she had vowed that there would never be another pair of slippers under her bed. It's okay, I don't wear slippers.
I don't have many funny things to say about Howard, as he doesn't have much funny stuff because he's very smart, thorough, deliberate, about doing things so they come up right and not funny.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. Music loud, women walk, being kicked around since I was born. Never tolerate, that's okay, and you may look the other way, but we can try to understand and do your time to make no man. Whether you're a brother or whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, and you're staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Off we go.
We've only just begun to live. mistakes and promises. A kiss for luck and we're on.